Order notes are where critical order updates live. Customer requests, delivery instructions, refund decisions, and special handling details. But they're often buried inside WooCommerce, making it harder for teams to stay aligned. What if every order note automatically appeared inside your Google Sheet? Meet Order Notes Sync for FlexOrder Ultimate. Now your order notes move beyond WooCommerce and sync directly to your connected spreadsheet. First, head to FlexOrder, then Settings. Switch on the Display Order Note toggle and hit Save Changes. Now open any order, find the Order Note field, and type your note, exactly like you always do. Then open your connected Google Sheet. You will see every WooCommerce order note, whether added by customers or your internal team, is synced instantly and organized neatly into your sheet. Now your VAs, packers, and support team see every order note right where they work. No WordPress login required. Order Note Sync is part of FlexOrder Ultimate. Upgrade today and keep your whole team on the same page.